Today I'm going to show you our very popular wireless lighting set. This set is ideal for use on trailers to increase visibility. The kit comes complete with 2 tail lights, one 7-pin plug with antenna and a charging cable with cigarette lighter plug. Check the battery is fully charged on each light. This is displayed by the blue level lights. We also stock replacement lights for this product. With existing lights in use, press and hold the power button for up to 15 seconds on your replacement light. Now your new light is paired to the kit. Check the indicator function is working on both right and left lights. Ensure both brake lights are functioning properly. The wireless lights can be easily installed on any vehicle or trailer with the magnetic base. This kit is available to order now on our website or through your local sales rep.